Good morning, sir.
I am not well actually, so that's why yesterday I have not taken the class. Today also I'm not well, but it should complete these things today itself. Right, so if my voice is not clear, so please let me know. Okay, so I'll be speaking slowly only. I got cold actually, right? Fine, my voice is clear, right, to everyone?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Sorry. Right, is my screen visible?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
No, sir.
So last class now.
Yeah,
Yes, sir.
as usual.
Yes, sir.
Right, so last class we have discussed about Navbar, right? So in that we have pending with that drop downs, right? So I'm going to use the drop down for this services. So I'm going to list out some list of services and say using the drop down property. Okay. So drop down in the sense we'll be using the class called drop down class. So it will come like this. For example, we'll go for Jogo things. So you can see automatically this is simply a drop down property, right? This is simply a drop down property, right? So this simple case it will give you, right? So now how can I define that drop down class in the sense? Okay, so within this list item, services list item, okay, so within this list we need to define one more list. We need to define one more list, so that is simply called as on simple unordered list. So within this we'll be taking some list items like a list of services. So here also hyperlinks anchor tag will be used, but here the class names will be different. Here the class names is drop down hyphen item. Okay, only for this anchor tag we are having the class names, not for link tags. Okay, so that's it. So I'm just making it as services like development, list of services like UX design. Okay, and then hosting, and then SEO, search engine optimization, list of services we are providing like that. Okay, so now we need to use the class name called dropdown. Okay, so where we will use that class name in the sense in your list item. So the class name will be dropdown class. The class name will be dropdown class. Why drop down in the sense it is displaying in the downwards, right? List of item it is displaying in the downwards. Yes or no? So that's why it's drop down. So we are having drop right also, drop left also, drop top also. Okay, so everything we will see that things. Now after using this specific case, okay, so you can see in our page we are getting the specific cases. Are you able to see here?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so it is displaying the list of items in vertical manner. Okay, so we need to use one thing called menu class, then only it will be hidden initially. Drop down hyphen menu, so we need to use within the unordered list. We need to use within the unordered list class. Okay, so follow the steps, don't copy the code step by step, line by line. Okay, then you can see the list of items are hidden. Okay, but I need to see exact drop down things, right? Please mute your mic. We need to show exact drop down things. So for that we need to use the thing called drop down toggle. We need to use the thing called drop down toggle. So there is one class called drop down toggle class here. It's common for drop down, drop up, and then drop right, drop end, like that. Everything is common. This class names like drop down menu class as well as drop down toggle, everything is common, right? So only thing. So here the drop down is present in which place? That means outside the content or inside the content, where it is present, the drop down.
Inside the
Inside the things. That means like you can see yesterday, like last class we have used drop down toggle property, right? So like toggle property we have used. The toggle button is outside the collapse content. That means outside the content. Okay, so that's why we have targeted the specific collapse. We have targeted the specific collapse. But here, the drop down item, the list of item, the targeting item is present inside the same drop down. Present inside the same drop down. So here we no need to mention the target cases. Here we no need to mention the target cases. Instead of that, we need to mention only the toggle. Okay, so here which thing we are going to toggle in the sense drop down. Here we are going to toggle drop down. Okay, so that's it for the specific use case. Okay, only what you need to do means whichever the list item in your navbar you want drop down. So for that list item, use drop down class. Okay, and then for that anchor tag, use drop down toggle element. So toggling, whenever you're clicking the services only, the element will be shown. The list of elements will be shown. Okay, so the list of elements added with the drop down menu class. So within that, the list will be added with the drop down items, list of items, right? So now you can see, I'm just pressing it. You can see I'm getting the down arrow mark. Are you able to see here? So down arrow mark in the sense whenever you are clicking the specific case, automatically it will display. Okay, so why it is blacking in the sense? Simply you can see, go for inspect, go for console. Okay, so you can see I'm getting some error, uncaught type error, create popper is not a function. Okay, so why it is giving me error in the sense we have placed that specific popper.js, okay, at the end of bootstrap.js. Okay, so what we need to do, we need to replace this item. We need to replace this item. So first it will read popper.js, then it will override some properties in bootstrap.js. Okay, so now if I refresh the screen, now you can see I'm getting the list of items. Are you able to see that? We already know HTML, not only HTML, all other programming language will read the code line by line only. So HTML also will read the code line by line only from the starting. Okay, including attached files. Okay, linked files, linked script files, everything it will read line by line only. So first it will read the popper.js properties, and then if any properties is matched with the bootstrap.js file, so it will be overridden with these properties. Understood? So that's why it is blacking previously. Clear? So you need to place the files properly as per your functionality requirement. That is very, very important, right? Right now you can see whenever I'm clicking, then only this drop down is showing. Am I right?
Sure.
But how I want actually? How I want actually? Exactly. Whenever I'm just hovering on it, it should display the drop down items. Am I right? So like Zogo, whenever I'm just hovering on it, it should display the drop down items. Yes or no? Okay. In your college websites also mostly like this, like that only it will be there. Okay. So for that, what is the property we need to write? You already know in CSS. What is the property? Tell me, correct only. Hover property. With that hover pseudo class, with that, what is the property we need to write? Pseudo class will be hover, that is correct. What is the property we need to write to display?
Display black.
What?
Display black.
Display?
Black.
Can you speak loudly? Your voice is not clear.
Display icon black.
Display block.
Display block. Property name will be display. The value will be block. So that's what we need to mention. Okay. So whenever you are hovering on drop down, so I'm going to write internal CSS, just listen it. Okay. So I'm going to use a drop down class. Okay. Whenever you are hovering on that drop down, okay, you need to display the drop down menu item, drop down hyphen menu. This is the class name. So what is the property? Display black. This is the property we need to just make it important to get it the first priority. Okay, so understood. So whenever you are hovering on the drop down property, drop down menu will be displayed in a block. Display block in the sense it will display. Previously it was in a hidden manner. So block in the sense automatically it will display in the specific content space. Okay, So now you can see I'm just refreshing the screen. You can see I'm just hovering on it. Automatically I'm getting the drop down items. Clear? Understood?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Right?
Yes, sir.
Fine. Now, any doubt? Anyone is having any doubt? Nearly 20 members are there. If you have any doubt, please ping me. Please tell me. Some people are pinging me in personally also, so I'm just clearing them doubts. So if you have any doubts, don't hesitate to ask. So it will reflect your performance. Okay.
Okay, sir.
So fine. So now you can see this is one drop down. Here I'm having one more drop down, like drop end, like sub menu. So how can I do this? So what you can do, can try by yourself. Same thing, same case. Inside this one more drop down menu list item, you can create one more drop down. Okay, this is drop end actually, like right side. So if I use the class name called drop end, okay, in Bootstrap 5 drop end, okay, but in Bootstrap 4 it is drop right. Okay, so end in the sense right side. You can see the things will be displayed in the right side. Are you able to see here?
Yes, sir.
So you can use this case to develop this kind of use case. Okay, if I hover on the Salesforce automation, I'm getting some more list of items. Am I right? So here you can develop one more drop down items. Understood that you can able to do by yourself, because already same case, same probabilities, coding structure will be different. That's it, right? Same class name, same things will be you're going to use, but coding structure will be different. Inside this specific unordered list drop down items, you need to use one more drop down. That's the thing you need to do. Clear? Okay, and then for this kind of things, how you will do this kind of things? By size, by role, by industry, use case, how you will do? This also we already discussed.
It's a bold option.
Nope. That's fine. We already discussed. What is the thing? No one knows.
Containers.
Container, div class.
Div class content.
Container also not needed. Simply you can use grid system. What is this? Grid system. Take a row within this drop down. So you can split that row into six columns. Okay, first 6 columns you can able to add this list of items. Next 6 columns you can able to add this list of items. Okay, this is simply a content with background color and some padding. This is simple thing. Okay, like you are not going to design these patterns. You will be designing your college website, right? For example, Andhra University, right? So some cases you will be having some submenus. Here it's you can see here the college. Are you able to see this? So here you can use our grid system. Okay, you use our grid system and change the color according to your requirements. Okay, everything is possible, right?
Yes, sir.
Clear what I'm telling?
Yeah, sir.
Yeah, clear, sir.
Okay, fine. Now we have one more class, a simple class like drop down divider to divide the drop downs. Okay, drop down items. Okay, let me use that. Simply you can use that is here. You can use with this here itself. Drop down hyphen divider. Let's check. It's not giving here. Let me use div tag.
Sir, it's spell mistake, sir. DO or not 3 or okay, sir.
Sorry. That's what list of items. You can see the divider, how it is displaying. Okay, so these things, example wise, some cases we'll be using that, but mostly we won't use the dividers. It's not there in examples. Okay, you can use it if you want. Okay, so divider means it will divide separately. So these things will come under one category. So this item will become under another category. So based on that, you can able to divide it as per your requirement. Clear? Any doubt till now? Okay, so how many pages are done totally with grid system? One by one. Starts from Abhinay. How many pages done?
Sir, some modifications are there. I think I have done almost about 4 pages, sir.
I am expecting more, so try to do.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah, sir.
Akhil.
Sure. Thank you, sir.
Akhil.
Sir.
How many pages you have done?
3 pages, sir. 3 pages.
Only 3 pages.
In middle, my code was crashed, sir.
How it was crashed?
Actually,
Still code won't crash,
closing. Right? In closing time, there was a save and not save. So I didn't press not
You can
save.
enable auto save in Visual Studio Code. The option is there.
Okay.
Enable the auto save. Okay. Then do the coding now. Okay, I'm expecting more pages.
Yeah, actually,
Amarnath.
the code was error, so
So some people are from the CSR IT background, some people are from non-IT background. So non-IT background people try to design more pages. Okay, so IT background people or CSE background people, that's fine. They can able to understand, they can able to do it, they can able to make it. But non-IT background, so you need to have the practice many times. So that's why I'm searching on this. Clear? So fine,
sir.
Amarnath.
Sir, completed 5 web pages, sir, doing 60 web pages. I'm designing this.
Okay, so always try to use same colors. I'm seeing different colors, and then
Yes.
color combinations also not good. Like I'm seeing the screenshot regularly. So what are the things you people are sharing? Who all are sharing? Who are all not sharing? So everything noted by your training HR. Okay, so they appointed on HR for your management itself. Okay, so managing your task, managing your activity, login activity, everything they have noting down. So try to understand my messages, understand my task, and then try to do accordingly. Clear? For your career only, I'm telling, not for my purpose. I won't get anything from this. Okay? Fine. Morgan.
Sir, I'm done
How
4
many
pages, sir. Oh, 50 page continue, sir. Some modifications in 50 page, sir.
Okay, while I'm seeing the pages, I don't want to see any crashes. Like everything should be proper. Right? Responsive manner. Content structure is fine, but I want the responsive things properly. Because content structure at the end of the Bootstrap, I will check. But while checking in between, so the responsive thing should come.
Okay, sir.
Right, next, Bindu.
Sir, I have completed 4 main pages, and in the sub menu I have completed 4 sub menus.
Okay, I understood. Totally 8.
So, yes, sir.
Okay.
Modifications had to be done. Bootstrap modifications only, sir. Remaining all I used.
So before designing next page, please complete the Bootstrap modifications.
Yes, sir. Okay.
Okay. Chandra
Okay,
Babu. How many pages?
Hello. 6 pages is completed.
Okay, so did your doubts clear previously?
Yeah, sir. I have all clear details. Sir, some doubt is there, sir. I share my screen after.
I will call you later. Okay, after the some time I will call you. Okay.
Okay, sir. I designed two concepts, sir. One with
Okay,
college
keep your
websites.
doubts. I will call you. Okay, after some
Okay,
time I will
sir.
call you. Pawan Sunil Kumar.
6 pages, sir. I have done 6 pages.
Okay. Venkatesh. Jalakam Venkatesh. I'm not able to hear your voice.
Hello.
Yeah, tell me.
Sir, 4 pages completed, sir, and I have started new one with Bootstrap and Bootstrap the things, and I have some doubts in the Bootstrap.
What are the doubts?
I have tried this drop downs and all, and the structure, the shape of the heading and all. I am not able to done it in the CSS in the manner. I have used the external CSS. And it's not.
Can you share your screen?
Yes.
Everyone, please listen. So, what the mistake he has done? We'll check it out. That's like Joseph. How many pages?
Oh, so I completed 4 pages.
See, take it a serious note, right? So, in your review, if you are not showing the designed page as you are mentioning now, so it's up to you.
Okay, sir.
Okay.
Okay.
For everyone, not only you, for everyone, I'm telling. Wait, Venkatesh, 2 minutes. Okay, let me complete this. And share your screen. Wait for 2 minutes. Okay. So for everyone, I'm telling. So what are the counts you are telling now? So I just want to see the counts. Maybe Saturday or else Monday will take review. Like I will ask everyone to share your screen and I will see the pages. How many pages you have done? How many pages are responsive? So everything will be recorded and everything will be noted. Okay. So try to do according to that. Okay. So if you are doing additional pages also, it's very good. Okay. It's added advantage for yourself. Right.
Okay.
Fine. Tell me, Venkatesh, what is the doubt?
Sir, I have done this web page, a new one. I'm doing this new one with using the Bootstrap and all. But I have tried with this code, sir, and I have remodeled some. I have seen some.
Visual Studio Code page is not visible properly. You have shared only single screen. You have not shared entire screen of the web page.
Okay, sir.
Just, click on share screen and then you will be having the option called desktop on the left side.
Yes, sir.
Share the entire desktop. Mallikarjun, how many pages? Mallikarjun, how
Doing
many
some
pages?
modifications. Trying to do 6. Hello? Can you hear me,
Yeah,
sir?
how many pages? Yeah.
5 pages and 6 pages doing some modification.
Okay. Pawan Kumar.
Yes, sir. I completed 4 pages and 5th page I am working, sir.
Okay. Maximize the code, Venkatesh. Okay, I don't think so. You have linked to Bootstrap files. Why you are not linked to Bootstrap files?
First, I have added the Bootstrap files here, sir, but it was not showing, so I removed it.
Okay, so where is your Bootstrap files now?
Just here itself, sir.
First one, right? First one.
Yes.
Say training, first folder, right?
Yes, sir.
So what you need to give exact path of the folder. Okay, the folder is the Bootstrap 5.3.0 alpha. Like copy the folder name. You need to give the exact path, right? I asked you to give the exact path, right?
Yes, sir.
Then what you're doing? Exact path in the sense like your HTML files inside the training folder, your Bootstrap files also inside training folder. So what you can give Bootstrap 5.3.0 alpha /css / bootstrap.css. That's a file path you need to give.
Yes. First, I linked
then,
it. After that, it was not showing, so I removed the Bootstrap link in it.
You need to ask me, right? If it is not showing, you need to ping me. You need to ping your friends. Everyone is available. 25 members are available. So you don't know. No one knows you in the group, in this group. So please, guys, interact with everyone. Okay, not for personal things, only for professional things. Okay. If you have any doubts, you can ask with your friends, or else you can directly ping me in group itself, or else personally itself. I will able to help you. Okay. So Bootstrap files we have already linked like 4 days before, right? 4 days, 5 days before. Last Friday, I think so. Still, you are not able to link it in the sense you need to inform me, right? How can I know that you people are linked properly, you people are working in it? How can I know that? That's what I just asked these things, because only few people are sharing the screenshots and other things in group. I'm just noticing that cases. You need to tell me, guys. Can you link the exact path now? Exact path of bootstrap.css file. That's it. The path you need to link it. You can link how we are linking. Peru Sagep. How many pages you have done?
I have completed 2 pages, sir.
2 pages. Okay. Only 2 pages. What is the reason?
I am logged out
So you logged in
some
for
problem, sir.
nearly 9 hours, right? You're logging in for nearly 9 hours or 8 hours, somewhat, right? So what you're doing?
Sir, I have some laptop problem, sir.
That you need to inform, right?
Yes, sir.
So I won't ask anything. Like if you're not doing, I'll be asking for myself, like whether you're doing or not. Okay, if you are training HR or some other person from my TL or manager is asking, if they are calling in your Skype, in the sense, how you will answer for this?
Okay.
Because they won't ask me, because they know everything is recorded, everything is going well. So I'm explaining every concepts in each and every steps properly. So they knows everything. So they won't ask anything to me. They will ask you only why you are not doing that. So what is the question you answer? You will give you. Everything is recorded. All the things are recorded. You already know these things. Take extra time and do the work, please. Okay. If you have doubts, means if you have any friends, or you can ping me directly. Don't wait for anything.
Okay.
Okay, it will affect your performance. Okay, this is your career. This is not simple case. Okay, please just do
Yes,
accordingly. Rakesh, link it, Venkatesh. Why you are stopped? Put css/bootstrap.css in the quotes. Within the quotes. Why you are giving space? Whether you will give space for paths. Bootstrap.css. That's it. Remove the style.css link. Like this, link the JavaScript file as well as, and then copy that popper.js CDN link, and then try to do the coding. You can stop screen sharing. Okay, let me know. Not working. Okay. Rakesh, are you there?
Sir, for
Rakesh.
this, sir, I have tried external sales in the drop-down tool, sir. I don't know what goes wrong in it. Can you check it? Check the code, sir.
I asked you to do the first case link Bootstrap files and then you can check it later.
Yes, sir. Thank you.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Rakesh, are you there? He joined the call, but he is not responding. Okay, Ramesh.
Sir, I have completed 5 pages.
5 pages you completed.
Yes, sir.
Do more pages like Ram Mogan. Ram Mogan, how many pages you have completed? Ram Mogan, are you there? Satvik.
Sir, I completed 5, working on 6%.
Sai Charan.
Sir, I completed 5 web pages. I am doing the 6th web page.
Siva.
Sir, I have completed 4 web pages, sir. I am working on the 6th page.
Okay. Saujanya.
I have completed 3 pages, sir.
Why only 3?
Because I am non-IT background, sir. That's why.
Do you face any issues or any doubts?
No, sir. But I am trying.
Okay. So at the end of the Bootstrap, I need 10 pages. Okay. So
Yeah,
if you
sir.
have any doubt, please ping me in the group or personally if you want.
Sir, I'm doing Bootstrap link, sir.
Do it and let me know.
Okay, sir. Okay, sir.
Soumya.
Hi, sir.
Tell me.
I have completed 5 pages, sir.
5 pages. Okay. So do more 5 pages, right? 10 pages I expected from each and every one.
Okay, sir.
So Swarna.
Sir, I completed 7 pages, sir, and I'm working on the 8th page, sir.
With responsive thing.
Yes, sir.
Okay, that's fine. Let's see. Okay, so everyone, as I told, 10 pages should complete at the end of the Bootstrap. Okay, responsive cases with 10 scroll per page. I already mentioned 10 scroll I want, right? Please do it. Tomorrow also you will connect. Day after tomorrow also you will connect. Saturday also you will connect. Okay, to check the progress.
Okay, sir.
Fine. Anything, please ping me. So don't be silent, everyone. I'm common for all the people. I will explain the use case and explain the doubts for all the persons, not for specific persons. Okay, so please ask your doubts if you have anything, right?
Okay,
Fine.
sir.
Thank you.
Yes.